2022 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. With less than 11,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors. Take home the car of your dreams today.